Day 7, recharge and recovery. Welcome back if you made it this far. I'm pretty sure you will make it through all the 30 days. And today I have a goodie for you, recharge and recovery, because we already worked quite well the last 6 days. Now it's time to just relax, stretch, and recharge. I am Marion, spiritual healer and yoga teacher. So glad you found your way to me. And I'm here to make you feel more balanced in your life. So let's get started today. Don't stress yourself, just relax. And we are starting in a cross-legged seat. Surprise. Okay. Inhale here. And exhale, drop to one side. And yes, I have holes in my shirt. It's vintage. I just love that shirt so much. It has holes so I can breathe. My skin can breathe. Change the side. Come up. Turn towards the right knee, and then you lift the left arm and lean forward all the way. Stretch. Keep both seating bones on the mat. Lift. Change the side. Come back. Now open the feet a bit more. Bring the soles of your feet together. And then just let the knees drop. And I think I need to readjust my leggings so I don't break them with my flexibility. Okay, let the knees sink down, like first a bit flow movement, like a butterfly. Fly, fly. And then drop them as low as you can. You can support with your elbows by pushing them down. And then straighten your back and lean forward as much as you can. Drop the head. And maybe and release. If you feel like massaging an area, just do that. Then open the legs as wide as you can. Sit upright. Lift the arms. Interlace the hands. Turn the palms away from you. And exhale to one side. Inhale up. Exhale to the other side. And now release the arms. You drop the forearm or the hand to the side, and then you lean over the leg towards the toes of the foot. Just stay there and breathe. Inhale, come up. Exhale, breathe, release. Okay, the other side. Maybe you notice one side is easier than the other, so then usually you should practice a bit more with the side that's not yet as good as the other side. Release. If you want to shake the legs for a moment, do that. Else we keep them open and walk with the hands to the front as far as possible. And then you can drop the forearms. If you're a super flexible gymnast, drop all the way down. And just hold the stretch, breathe. Release. Very good. Close the legs. And then straighten the legs to the front. Let's just do one side. So you bring the left foot in, that the foot is touching the thigh of the other leg. Reach and forward. Keep breathing. Come back, change the side. Inhale, exhale. Release. Roll onto your back. Straighten the left leg and bring the right leg to your chest. Hold it here. And then bring the knee a bit more to the outside towards your armpit. And if you want, you can grab the foot, bring it up like this. Hold here. Then bring the knee over your body to the left side. Drop it on the floor. And then you try to bring the right shoulder back on the ground. Hold here. Take both hands to the knee, bring it back to your chest, and then stretch the leg out. Now stay here for a moment and feel into your body. Maybe you can feel a difference between the right and the left side. Just notice that difference. And then bring the left knee to your chest. A bit more to the armpit, to the outside. And if you want here, you can also grab your foot and lift the lower leg up. Grab the leg, bring it to the right side of your body, drop the knee onto the floor, and then you bring the left shoulder down to the ground. It's a nice spinal twist, full body stretch. Breathe. And bring the leg back to your chest. And straighten it. Again, feel, notice in your body. Now take both knees to your chest and you can keep it there. Or you open the legs up to a happy baby. Grab the feet and open up. You choose. If you want to keep the knees on your chest, that's fine. Or you just want to lie here like a happy baby. Smile. And then bring the left leg onto the ground again, while your right foot comes into the left groin. And you drop the knee so it falls towards the floor. This is for hip stretch, hip opening. Just breathe. Relax into the ground. Change the side, straighten the right leg, bring the left foot in, place the foot in the right groin and then let the knee drop. Relax. Bring the feet together and let the knees drop to the outside. Bring the hands above your head, straighten, stretch long. And then take your hands, support the legs to close the legs and bring the knees to your chest. And if this day 7 made you feel a little bit better than you felt before the session, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell sign so you get notified every time I publish a new video. And with that, I hope to see you again tomorrow for day 8. You can go into a shavasana and just relax a little longer if you want to. And get ready for day 8 tomorrow. See you then. Namaste.